Finally I got the another tool, spent 3600. Have a look what is in there. Right, inside one box, you know now exactly what is inside. And right, okay. Another small box inside. This is for the battery tester. This is for the upper. Yeah. Right, this one I had to read the instruction before I use it. Yeah, this is for the offer. Basically, when I bought this one, MS909, they gave me this one free of charge. Yeah, that's good. I'm going to check tomorrow what's going on here. Right, we'll see what's going on here. Right, nothing inside. Yeah, it's come with nice handy box, bit strong. That's good. And this is the toy. Right, I need to charge this one before I use it. Yeah, manual here. Hopefully all details there. Then once I go home tonight, I'm going to check what's going on here. Right, this one for the connector J2534. Yeah, codeless or wireless. We'll see what is in there. Nothing there. Right. Oh, yeah, this is for the charging power cable. I don't want this bag. Using many computers, I know what to do with this thingy. Sometimes some people need to read the manual. To be honest, it's in my mind now. This one for the this one for the here. In here you can see it's one way it's going. You are not going to mix up this one. Just plug in and tight the screws. Right, this unit going to the OBD connector in the vehicle. See what is in there. Fuses. This cable connect here to the computer. This cable and this one battery charging. Yeah, put it to the 12 volts charging socket, and we can use for charging this computer. At the moment I am not too much. Yeah, even the if we doesn't have a charging point in the car, basically what we can do, yeah, this unit, what we can do, this two lines, positive to positive, negative to negative, then after that we can connect this one like a socket like this, and yeah, see, this is the point. We can connect here, and we can this one connected to the battery, but I don't want to use this one. Basically I can connect this one to the main socket, so this one I'm keep it for future purpose. I'm not going to even leave it in the box. Fuses I don't want. And something inside this bag, we'll see what is inside this bag. Yeah, the connector for the computer. Sometime when I going to use the pass-through device to the computer, this one going to the computer. This is and it's come with couple of fuse. I feeling fuse might be sit on here. Yeah, this is my new tool. Spend 3,600, but however at the moment I can't play with that one because I need to charge this one before I use it, and after that I'm going to read manual tonight, play with this one, and let you know more update when I work with the car. However, at the moment I'm not do any review for this tool until maybe 5-6 months complete, because I had to play around. And the one reason I bought this computer, because I have 6 computers. I'll show you. See here, I have 6 computers: launch, Mac tool, snap on, launch, again launch, and one hotel somewhere. And also there is another laptop, this one for the Flash, and the diagnostics for the, what do you call, the Peugeot. Yeah, anyway, after 6 month time I will do the review for this tool. However, at the moment this is unboxing. Thanks for watching. If you use this tool before, if you have any idea, please comment below how is this tool working and how you using this one. This is Hotel UK. This is not a global one. Basically this tool has a UK support, because if you want to buy same tool global one, you can buy maybe 2,500, 2,200 something from eBay or online. But however, when you're going to work with the UK, big problem, because I bought that launch 10 months ago. Then it's doing some jobs, but it's not good for the remote programming. It's not good for the remote programming. It's not good for the some additional function, even no support. Sometime when I send the message, they will reply after week, 2 weeks. Never know when I can get the reply. That's why I bought this tool, because this tool has a UK support, and this tool has a remote diagnostic and remote help. Then that's why, anyway, after 6 month time I will do the review for this tool. At the moment, unboxing video. Thank you.